There was a true abandoned truck in the middle of nowhere. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. My name is Corey and you are watching the Platinum Built YouTube channel. I am wearing my snow day hat today. We in fact did get some snow last night. Well, actually it was 2 days ago. Yesterday we tried to film a snow vlog, but I have some weird footage. I'll show you that in a minute here. But my SD cards said that they were full, but they weren't full. They weren't even halfway full. But today we are en route here. My glasses are finally in. We are going to get some glasses. So in a minute you will see me with a whole new look. This is your daily dose of the Platinum. Real quick, if you're watching this, hit that subscribe button for me and let's get this channel to 5,000 subscribers. All right, I'm wearing my snow day hat into the eye doctor. Let's go. All right, so this is them. They're a dragon. My prescription got upped a little bit and man is it weird. I feel like I'm cross-eyed or something. Maybe it's too strong. Maybe I'm gonna mess up my eyes by wearing these suckers. I'm gonna test them out. Yeah, how you doing? Can I have a
Anything else?
That's all. Okay. All right guys, I know that the McDonald's is like poison, but something about the McGriddles and the sausage McMuffins are just so good. And check this out real quick. Look what's over there again. If you follow the channel, if you watch my previous, oh my god, she's broke.
No.
All right, so I almost had camera catastrophe real quick right there. But over in that lot is that Bob's Deuce and a Half. Man, that thing is so cool. It is. It has a fresh, like, green army paint job. It's bobbed. It has sweet military tires and wheels. I'll cut to that now. Now that I have my goodies, which is poison, by the way, so don't. This is not an endorsement for McDonald's. We pulled over to the Deuce and a Half. That thing is sick. But while I eat my sandwiches real quick, we're gonna cut to yesterday's footage. We had a little SD card malfunction. We got some footage done. But whenever there is a snow day, I wear my snow day hat, and then we also love to have fun in the snow day. So let's cut to that now. If you don't love having fun on a quad when it snows, then I don't know what kind of fun you could ever have. How much you want to bet that this sucker is not gonna start? Can't even turn the key, it's froze. Oh my god, it's turning over. It is a miracle. What are you doing? Come back. Ow. Come on, let's go. Dog's lost its mind. Loves the quad. I cannot believe it start. Look, I had the jumper cables ready. Uh-oh. Get out of there. It is an absolute miracle that this thing started. She's still real cold. Give it a minute. Now that we got it running, we got to figure out how to get it in the truck. Everything's icy and slippy and sketchy. She is locked and loaded. We got it in there nice and tight. First ever quad in the platinum. But anyways, let's go hit the trails. Alright guys, that was all of the footage from yesterday. I don't know what happened with my SD cards. I got back and I reformatted them. I got changed, I got back on the quad and we went back out and hit the woods. Now, if you follow the channel, you seen them a couple videos ago, I found an abandoned truck in a field. That's my father-in-law's truck, so it's certainly abandoned. But I actually found an abandoned truck. Now, check this out. It's an old Chevy 1500, I don't know, 90s year. What is that in there? An old 5.7. I mean, this thing is like straight up abandoned. Looks like it was like an off-road truck. Is that a bullet hole? Looks like it was an off-road truck and they just drove it and left it where it died. Some pants.
I went to Levine's yesterday, get some pants for me and...
Someone forgot their pants. Holy smokes. There you go. That's what the inside of a gauge cluster looks like on a 90s, early 90s Chevy 1500. Wow, that's crazy. Holy smokes, there's all kind of holes I'm falling in. Gas tank. With a little bit of work, she could be a top runner daily driver. What do you guys think? When we were in high school, we used to come back here in our whatever vehicle we could scrounge up that would make it back here. But this is great. I mean, we're in this like bowl right here, and it's just land. It's just open land. Abandoned truck. So real quick, I grew up racing motocross. I didn't ride quads, I rode dirt bikes. And my quad skill is low on the skill level spectrum. I am super sketchy on quads. And on these roads here coming over to here, there's these like deep water ruts and truck ruts, like four-wheel drive truck ruts and all this scary stuff underneath of the snow. So I'm like real scared to go fast. Hit a bump, quad shoots to the left, fly over the hill. But real quick, here's a funny story for you guys. This is an inside scoop here. And by the way, while I'm talking to you, I'm walking on this pond, or this puddle here. I could fall through it any second, but it's pretty cool. It's probably thick. Quick little story time. I was maybe like 14 years old. My parents took us to, me and my sister and a couple other families, relatives or whatever, took us to Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic. You know, so this time I was like just getting in the middle of my racing career, and I thought I was big and bad on, you know, anything with a motor, dirt bike, quad, whatever. So we go on the quad tour. The guys stand on the beach and they sell you quad tours and parasailing and jet skiing or whatever. So we went on the quad tour through the villages, and I mean, it was a blast. It was great. It was the guy leading the tour, you know, the head guy in front, and then I was second in line. We're on this dirt road going to another village. You know, they had these dirt roads connecting villages. There was like a bank, like up to the left on the road. And I'm pushing the guy. I'm like, go faster, faster. I'm a young kid, you know, thinking I'm bad. In the dirt road's like built up maybe like a foot off of the ground. going around the bend to the left, and I didn't quite turn enough, and my two right side wheels, front and rear, dropped off the side of the road, and I couldn't get back onto the road. It was like I was on a rail, and I couldn't. Hearing stuff over there, it's scary. I couldn't get back up onto the road, and then the road went left. So what I do, I just went straight, shot right off the road into the Dominican Republic jungle. I'm on this rental quad. It was like a Suzuki 90 or something. I don't even know what it was. Flew through the woods, hit a rock, flipped over. The quad flipped over me, almost landed on my head. I almost died realistically. But I walked away with like a brush burn on my back and like a sprained wrist. So it didn't really make for a fun rest of the trip because I was sore from flipping through the jungle. So that was the day that I almost died on a quad. It was very scary. I mean, I really didn't recognize the seriousness and the scariness of the situation. My mustache is like frozen, it's so cool. I didn't really recognize the level of the seriousness that the situation was on. The quad was like 3 inches from just completely, the back bar of the quad completely just landing on my head, and that would have been no bueno. But that was it. Wasn't horrible to me because it just happened really fast, and then it was over, and then I was like, oh, what just happened? But I guess that's how those things happen, so you should be careful on quads. Take that as a lesson. Don't act stupid. There's deaths every year on quads, and don't be one of them. But that's it for today. I have a long ride back. I'm pretty far from the house, and the sun is getting pretty low. This is what I like to do on a snow day. You know, grab a quad, grab the truck, go do something fun in the snow. I don't really like the cold, but I absolutely love the snow. I hope everyone had a great day. If you're into anything in the automotive industry, if you work harder than anyone you know, if you live life to the highest quality, then you are Platinum Built. Do me one favor and hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up and officially join the Platinum Built family. Let's try to get this channel to 5,000 subscribers. I would appreciate it. You guys are awesome. We are on this journey together. I have a bunch more stuff planned. Let's wait for that weather to break. This was just a nice, easy day. Grab the camera, get on the quad, and hit the woods. But all right, that's it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace!